I can't believe what I just discovered. Robots are not just in sci-fi movies anymore. They're actively reshaping our world. Imagine a construction site where humans work alongside machines that can lay bricks with precision, or drones that map out entire sites in minutes. This is the future of construction, and it's happening right now. In the bustling world of construction, time is money, and safety is paramount. Traditional methods often mean long hours, back-breaking labor, and potential hazards. But what if we could make this process faster, safer, and more efficient? That's where robots come in. Let's take a closer look at a construction site in downtown Seattle. Here, meet Sam, or semi-automated mason. Sam is a robotic bricklayer designed to work alongside human masons. With its automated precision, Sam can lay up to 3,000 bricks in a day, far surpassing human speed. This reduces the workload on human workers, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. But Sam isn't alone. Hovering above, drones are mapping the site. These aren't your average drones. They're equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR technology, creating detailed 3D models of the construction area. This not only speeds up the surveying process, but also helps in planning and avoiding potential conflicts in the construction phase. Now, let's dive into the benefits. Speed. Robots like Sam can work around the clock, reducing construction time by weeks or even months. Safety. With robots handling the heavy lifting, there's less risk of injury for human workers. Precision. Robotic tools can perform tasks with millimeter accuracy, ensuring quality and reducing waste. But it's not just about efficiency. There's an emotional arc here. Imagine being a construction worker, knowing that your job is safer, your work is more precise, and your time on site is reduced. It's not just about the machines. It's about how they enhance human lives, providing a sense of security and progress. As we wrap up, remember, this is just the beginning. Robots in construction are part of a larger movement where technology is not just an aid, but a transformative force in our daily lives. From the foundations of skyscrapers to the intricate details of modern architecture, robots are building the future. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.